Hey beauty lovers, today we're diving into the world of Parfai's lip glosses. First up, Sunkissed, a nude with a hint of pink. My initial impression, it glides on like a dream. What's refreshing is the actual pigment in this gloss. It's not just a gloss, it's a burst of colour. Super lightweight and oh so comfortable on the lips. It's a game changer for a natural look. Next up is Coral Flair. The formula again is simply beautiful. I have to admit, I wasn't expecting to love this shade as much as I do. It's a delightful, corally pinky shade that surprisingly flatters fair skin. The formula keeps on impressing me, making this shade an unexpected favourite. Stunning. And finally, we have Baby Pink. It's absolutely beautiful, and I might just have found my favourite. Imagine the sheer beauty of this shade in the summer. The formula remains consistent, smooth, pigmented, and ultra comfortable. Baby Pink has my heart. And there you have it, a journey through Sunkissed, Coral Flair, and Baby Pink. Parfait has nailed it with these glosses. Rich pigments, a luxurious formula, and a comfortable feel on the lips. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay gorgeous.